In this experiment, we will control 8 LEDs by programming to light them in turn. We need the following components: 8 220 ohm resistors, 8 LEDs, 2 bond wires, and breadboard. Now, let's collect the circuit. Place 8 LEDs on the breadboard. Connect the anode of each LED to 3.3V power source through a 220 ohm resistor. Connect the cathode of each LED to GPL0 to GPL7. Now, the circuit has built successfully. We start to write code. Now we log in Raspberry Pi. Switch to test directory and home. Create a file named 8led.c. Open this file with vim. Now we begin to write code. We can write two subfunctions to turn the LED on or off first. We can write low to turn an LED on. We can write high to turn an LED off. Now we improve the main function. Initialize the variant pi library. If the initialization fails, we print a prompt message and return 1. Set 8 pins as output. We call the LED on function to turn an LED on, set a delay time, and then turn the LED off. Compile the code to generate an executable file. Run the program. Now we can see 8 LEDs blinking circularly. We can modify the source code to shorten the delay time and accelerate the circle frequency of LED lighting up. We change the delay time to 100. Recompile and run. Now we can see the circle frequency of LED lighting up is obviously accelerated. We back up the program. Now we modify the code to make the LED we want light up by passing parameters to main function. The first parameter represents the number and the second represents the parameter list. We define two variables, pin number and pin status. The first variable represents pin numbers and the second represents pin status. We convert ARGV parameter to an int type value by A2I function. Set the pin mode as output. Now we can compare the program to see the effects. Execute the program. Now we make the LED numbered D1 light up. Let's supply a low level. We can see the LED number D1 light up. Now we turn the LED number D0 off. We can see it is on. The first parameter is pin number, that's 0. The second is pin status. We write 1, press enter. Now we can see it's off. Now we turn the LED number D1 off. That's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching. See you next time.